I am Dorian Swinger, a candidate for the Specialist Program in Education here at Kennesaw State University. For my final capstone project, I chose to do a research proposal for a potential dissertation. The title of my proposal is Mentorship Matters, Teacher-Student Relationships Impact on Student Engagement for Marginalized Youth. The area I am concerned about is students not enjoying school and dropping out, which I labeled as an academic crisis for marginalized youth. I go on to define marginalized youth in this study and statistics around the frequency and reasoning of why these students are dropping out. I also know how this problem affects community as a whole because of students who drop out equates to more poverty in communities statistically. This is a cycle I am concerned about ending, and is stated in my statement of problem. I look back on my times in school, and something that helped me was mentorship. Since it kept me in school and engaged, I wanted to see how it was applicable to more marginalized youth. In my literature review, research talked about marginalized youth needed someone to care for them in order for them to be engaged. This is what I had and what made school for me have purpose. The literature review also talks about how less people are mentoring because of lack of time, volunteers, and pay. This is why I'm interested in looking at school-based mentorships, where the concerned adults are the students' teachers. As educators, we want to see our students engage. However, I know outside factors contribute to educators becoming mentors. For this study, I simply wanted to look at the impact of mentorships on engagement. In the future, I would be interested in having time blocks and scheduling for mentorship if this study is to be proven significant. I will advocate for time blocks built for mentoring in these schedules so that educators do not have to put in extra time outside of those school hours. Going down, you see my themes for my literature review, and they are grounded in the impact of mentoring on engagement in marginalized youth. There are gaps in literature on school-based mentoring, being different than outside mentorship, but it's worth exploring if mentorship increases engagement and for our students in school. I'm going down to my conceptual framework. Critical theory in social justice informs my particular study. Social justice is trying to break cycles of poverty in Black and brown communities, trying to lower the number of marginalized youth not finishing school. This study is looking to change society and better Black and brown communities. My research questions are: in what ways does teacher-student-mentor relationships impact student engagement for marginalized youth? And my second one is, what are student and teacher perceptions towards mentorship and engagement in school? In doing a qualitative study, I am interested in gaining subjective perceptions. So I want to ultimately know, how do teachers feel about the program, mentorship program? How are the students in the programs feeling? How are their feelings different from when there was no program? So how was their feelings about school and engagement before mentorship was implemented, during the implementation of mentorship, and then afterwards? I also want to know how those who are not in the program, students that are not in the program, what are their feelings and perceptions about school and engagement? In my research to design, again, I chose to do a qualitative study, more specifically a qualitative case study. I aim to observe the behavior of those in the mentoring program before, during, and after the implementation of mentorship. I want to see if and how students' engagement changes with the presence of teacher mentorships. I will also have semi-structured interviews to have questions prepared while allowing students and teachers to be subjective and authentic in their responses. I will interview both students in the program as well as the teacher mentors. These will be both before, during, and after implementation of the mentorship. I also discuss a further data point. If a further data point is needed, we can have students journal their feelings of mentorship also before, during, and after implementation of the program. Going down, when analyzing the data, I aim to gain an understanding of people's experiences, From the observations, I'm looking to see engagement, which is I defined as participation in class, completion of work, contact given to the instructor. And a lot of this, when we're looking at observations, will be done through event sampling. So tallying the number of times they raise their hand and participate in class, telling the amount of work it's completed during the class period, and telling the times of direct attention that's given to the instructor, as how we will observe those behaviors for engagement. When interviewing and journaling, I want to hear what students and teachers are saying about mentorship and engagement. Throughout the paper, I relate this study to personal achievements in my life. So down, when thinking about ethics, when thinking about positionality, I know how mentorship kept me in school, how it kept me focused, how it kept me engaged. And I'm eager to see how many more students can be transformed by the presence of mentorship. If data is significant enough, I hope to have schools such as the summer learning programs that I mentioned in my literature review, where mentorships is a part of students' daily schedule. If mentorships can reverse dropout rates and reverse poverty, I believe we should aim to look and try implementation for scholars. I believe that my biggest highlight of this study in this paper comes down into my data collection in terms of the observation protocol, and also my interview questions for the students and the teachers. So again, I have an observation guide, and I have some starter questions to ask both students and teachers. Although there is much more work to be done in the field in terms of literature and research, I believe that this dissertation proposal should be considered substantial as the final capstone project. Thank you for listening.